Many people around the world, especially in poorer countries, have different opinions about the question, why do we need to study math? Some will say it's just to pass the next exam so that they could move on to the next level in their academic program. Others claim that even though they need a simple arithmetic, they do not see where they have to use any complex math problems in their entire life, since they are not mathematicians or engineers and they are not thinking of being one. Many others have said that it is totally unnecessary to burn a midnight candle studying something that is meant to suffer their brain in school but have no place in their future career. There isn't any single answer that fully addresses this question, but there are many reasons that every person thinking so will come to appreciate math as they move forward in their academic endeavor, in their future career, and inevitably in their daily lives. In today's video, I will give you 5 reasons why you need to study math. My name is J.Akoi. Let's get started. 1. We use math in our daily life. Mathematics is one of the most important disciplines in today's world. It is a powerful tool for understanding the world around us and our perspective of the important issues facing us as individuals, families, businesses, and nations. Mathematics is all around us. We see and use math skills and capabilities every day, from exchanging currencies to receiving and sending MoneyGram or Western Union, from retailers to billers, lawyers, and accountants. Everyone needs some level of specific mathematics knowledge. Most professions use math to perform their job better and get ahead in the world. One of the more obvious places to find people using math in everyday life is at the supermarket, the grocery store, and other selling places. Shopping at these places requires a broad range of math knowledge, from multiplication to estimation and percentages. More math can be found in the kitchen than anywhere else in the house. Cooking and baking are sciences on their own and can be some of the most rewarding and delicious ways of introducing children to mathematics. Understanding ratios and proportion, particularly in baking. Example, the recipe calls for 1 egg and 2 cups of flour. Then the ratio of egg to flour is 1 to 2. Our daily life can therefore not be possible without the involvement of mathematics. 2. Math helps us build our analytical and problem-solving skills. Math helps us think analytically and have better reasoning abilities. Analytical thinking refers to the ability to think critically about the world around us. Reasoning is our ability to think logically about a situation. Analytical and reasoning skills are essential because they help us solve problems and look for solutions. While it may seem far-fetched to believe that solving the quadratic trinomial problem can help you solve a problem in real life, the skills that you use in framing the problem, identifying the knowns and unknowns, and taking steps to solve the problem can be a very important strategy that is applicable in other areas of life. 3. Math is a universal language. It's mostly equation, numbers, and some Greek letters, but math is understood the same virtually all over the world, and who knows, may be all over the universe. And math equations doesn't need to be translated to another language to be understood by someone on the other side of the planet. A mathematical law doesn't need to change because someone has a different religion than you or speaks a different language from you. 2 + 2 = 4 is true in every single place on the planet Earth. Pretty cool. The University of Math is one of the many things that makes it such a powerful tool and indeed essential for life skills. 4. Technology and logic. Technology is changing rapidly, and the basis of many of these technological changes is mathematics and logic. These changes are so rapid that it will be very difficult to predict the skills that people will need in the future workplace or at home in the coming years. But a good basis in mathematics, statistics, and technology will keep you on par in a very good advantage to adapt to the advances in technology. 5. Math is crucial in national development. Mathematics is literally connected to the development of people and nations. In my kindest opinion, which may or may not be a fight, poorer countries such as Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, etc. are not only faced with the issues of corruption and other factors responsible for the lack of development, but also eminent among these is the fact that only a handful of their people take interest in mathematics. Let it be understood that infrastructural development, for instance, and I mean quality infrastructural development, isn't only about the willingness or the quest for such, but it is more about the analysis of available data and the use of predefined standards applicable for the situation in the region. The analysis and use of data and predefined standards is a sure way to ensuring not only quality but also durable and life-saving infrastructural development, as opposed to the try-and-error method adapted by society whose people are not only schooling but also living below the least acceptable math interest level in their schools and in the fabric of their societies. Something needs to be done to improve their reasoning and analytical skill, and math is a great tool to do the job. In summary, a solid foundation in mathematics is an essential skill for students pursuing any academic degree, and the same quantitative capability is necessary for success in life as well. Math is not only important for success in life, it is all around us. The laws of mathematics are evident throughout the world, including in nature, and the problem-solving skills obtained from completing math problems can help us tackle problems in other areas of life. While many may complain that math is boring and complicated, the truth is that a life devoid of math means that we go around experiencing the world on a much less interesting level than we could.